Changing decimal to percent. Simply move 2 decimal places to the right. That is 4%. 2 decimal places to the right, 28%. 2 decimal places, that is 15.3%. Move 2 places again, 49.36%. Let's try more examples. 0.8, move 2 decimal places to the right, that is 80%. 2 decimal places, put 0, 120%. 2 decimal places to the right, 375%. 2 decimal places, that is 790.4%. For repeating decimals, the bar line indicates a repeating decimal. 0.7 can be written as 0.7777 and ... which means an infinite. This is 0.1616 and ellipsis. 0.309309 and so on. In repeating decimals, we move 2 decimal places to the right. So that can be written as 77.77% or 77.7% or simply 77%. For 0.16, it can be written as 16.16% or simply 16%. That can be written as 30.9%. Percent to decimal. Move 2 decimal places to the left. The decimal is found here, so we move 2 decimal places, then we put 0 and decimal. That will be 0.05. 2 decimal places to the left, 0.14. 2 decimal places again, that is 0.83. 2 decimal places, that is 1.25. Let's take more example. 0.5%, move 2 decimal places to the left, that is 0.005. 2.4, 2 decimal places, that is 0.024. 2 decimal places again, that is 0.158. 2 decimal places, that is 0.3227. Thank you for watching.